Today, I want to tell you about a simple and happy day with Jamie. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is great for beginners. Are you ready? Let's begin. It is a calm and peaceful morning. Emma and Jamie wake up feeling fresh and relaxed. They both sleep very well, so they feel happy and full of energy. Today is a free day for both of them. They do not have work and they do not have any big plans. This makes them feel excited. They decide to spend the whole day together. Jamie goes to the kitchen and starts making coffee. The smell of fresh coffee fills the room. At the same time, Emma prepares a simple breakfast. She makes eggs and toast. The breakfast is warm and delicious. They sit together and enjoy their food. They talk, smile, and enjoy the quiet morning. After breakfast, they think about their day. They decide to go to the mall. Emma wants to buy some things, and Jamie just wants to relax and have fun. They get ready for the day. Emma takes a shower, and Jamie gets dressed. He wears jeans and a t-shirt because he wants to feel comfortable. When they are ready, they step outside. The weather is beautiful. The sky is clear and the sun is shining, but it is not too hot. It is a perfect day to go out. They travel to the mall. The traffic is not heavy, so they arrive quickly. At the mall, there are many people because it is the weekend. They walk around and visit different shops. Emma looks at clothes and finds a nice dress. She likes it and the price is good, so she buys it. Then they go to a shoe store. Emma tries on some shoes and chooses a comfortable pair. After shopping, they feel hungry. They go to a food court and find a clean place to sit. Jamie orders a burger, fries, and a cola. Emma chooses pizza and juice. The food arrives quickly. They enjoy their meal, but the burger is a little salty. Still, they smile and continue eating. After eating, they feel full and a little tired, but they are also very happy. It has been a simple day, but a beautiful one. In the evening, they go back home. They feel relaxed and thankful for the time they spent together. Sometimes simple days can become the best memories. That is the end of the story. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. See you in the next lesson.